Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. For today, if you can see right here, we have another sneaker unboxing and I will show you guys my new sneakers from Adidas. So before we check out the sneakers guys, I'd like to show you the box muna. So if you can see right here, yung box niya may shiny details dito. So at first, hindi mo siya mapapansin, but pag natatamaan na siya ng light, meron siyang subtle details. If you can see yung Adidas nakalagay dyan, yung logo na trefoil and everything. Saka yung parang mga sports na mga icons or logos dito. So, ganun siya guys. So, ito yung itsura nung top. So, hindi rin siya yung regular box. Parang pull out siya. Pull out ba yung tawag dito? Yung hinahatak mong ganun para makuha yung shoes sa loob. And all throughout, ganun siya. Dito sa side, nakalagay lang dito Adidas. Then yung 3 stripes dito. And yun, all throughout the box, nandun yung design niya. Diba? Nakikita mong ganun. So, very subtle unless mailawan nga siya. And you can see the design of the box. So, let's check out the sneakers, guys. And yung binili kong sneakers, actually, this is limited edition. And why did I say that it is limited edition? Because itong Adidas Originals na to is in collaboration with Atmos. And this is called the Kobako pack. Now, for everyone's awareness, kasi hindi rin ako aware eh. Atmos is actually a streetwear and sneaker shop. So it's very popular and it is based in Tokyo. And with what I've read, this is not the first time that Adidas has collaborated with them. So for this collaboration, like what I've mentioned, it is also called the Kobako pack. And this is for their Forum Low and Forum High na shoes. So this Kobako pack, or with this collaboration, if you can see guys, very striking yung design niya. And obviously, it's because of the metallic silver leather na ginamit for this collaboration or for this sneaker. And other than that, meron ka ring design detail dito, which is a metallic, naririnig nyo naman, diba? So, hindi siya cheap lang na metal. So, metallic buckle. Because yung ordinary na forum walang ganito eh. Kumbaga yung parang loop lang yung meron siya dito. So this adds sophistication or na-elevate palalo yung design ng sneakers. So looking at the sneakers closely, it's basically your forum na sapatos. Again, just with that very shiny metallic silver leather. So here on this side, you have the trefoil logo with Adidas here in black. Dito naman sa sole niya, so this is not white, it's cream or dirty white, which is a nice combination then with the overall look of the shoe. Here at the tongue, yun nga, you have the buckle here. You have the same trefoil and Adidas logo stamped here. In black then what else? So dito you have the black na netting, you have white stripes and white laces, you have again the metallic buckle. So inside the lining is even in silver, if you can see. Then sa loob you can see there nakalagay Atmos. The A is blue, then the O pinalitan nila nung trefoil na logo. So inside, walang nakalagay sa tongue. It's just, you know, yun lang. And just like any other forum, ito rin yung sole nung sapatos. Now, let's go to the other pair. So ito siya guys. Now, like what I've mentioned, it comes in the Forum Low and Forum High. Ay, dalawa pala yung laces niya. So, you have here extra laces so to match the sole. So, cream din siya. So, nice. So, may option ka pala to change the laces. Now, what I was saying, so again, you have the low and the high version for this collaboration. Now, the difference is yung colorway lang niya from what I can see. Kasi yung high, the stripes and the laces would be black. So, yun yung difference niya with the low. So guys, I got these, or nabili ko siya online sa Adidas PH na website. And mabilis siyang maubos actually. I just checked again, wala nang 7.5. So this is UK 7.5. So 8 US, diba? So I think meron pa namang ibang sizes, but wala na yung size ko. So luckily, I was able to buy it. And this retails for 5,000 pesos. So there you have it, guys. These are my new sneakers. The Kobako pack, which is the Atmos and Adidas Originals collaboration sneakers. I hope you like this sneaker unboxing video, and I will see you again next time. Bye, guys.